Yo guys, today we're gonna learn how to create custom transitions using Adobe After Effects CC. First thing, we're gonna create a new composition. Hit Composition panel and click on New Composition. Then click OK. Then we're gonna create something called Polystar. Like this. And we're gonna align it to the composition, but make sure that we center the anchor point. Double click and control at the same time. Okay, that's good. Let's go to the Polystart stroke and make a new keyframe of stroke width and make it easy ease like this, and then decrease the stroke width to the 0. Okay, that's good. So let's animate the rotation. Go to transform. Press U and then Shift R to animate rotation and make a new keyframe and make it easy ease. Then let's make it like this. So let's duplicate the layer. And then S. Press U and animate the speed. Let's make the keyframe so close. and something called gradient ramp, chip gradient ramp. Double click, change the color from black to something cool like so let's try it on a video. Press shift and from the shape layer 9 to the shape layer 1 and pre-compose all. Let's name it transition. Okay. Then add a new video and make it alright. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure subscribe to our channel and like the video, and see you soon.